My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress Channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back.
They say they pay for what is happening. Now, the road now, they are dualizing it to 6 lanes. Now, the compensation for the house that will be demolition, how are they going to do about it? They've not talked about that one. Up to this one, how will they construct the road? How will they expand the road? Because they must demolish. This building is going. Almost all these buildings, all are going. Nobody's talking about the compensation up to today. So we want the truth. We want the truth to tell us the truth. What's actually happening? We want it.
Okay. Okay. Maybe you say took your mouth for the matter. What is your name and why on a come here? Waiting be on a real demand.
My name is Prince Iseku Okereke, youth coordinator Element. Just as my elder brother don't talk, we don't suffer for this road. The road now the road where they give food to the whole Nigeria. Now the road where they put food for big men table. As we dey here, we no get work. We no go anywhere where we dey go. God no make mistake. Carry element come keep here. No matter say we no plenty, but wetin God carry bless us be too plenty. Wey be say as he dey for Dubai, na so element supposed to be. When they dey hear the name, when my friends they dey hear the name, those wey don comot go obodo oyibo, when they dey come back, they dey ask me say na here you say you come from. Na here wey NAFCON dey, fertilizer company. Na here wey FOT FLT dey. Na here wey EPC, a subsidiary of NNPC. Na here wey dey na Indorama, the first NNPC in Nigeria and the largest NNPC in West Africa. You say you come from that place, na plantain plenty like this. I say yes, na here I come from. Because as we no get who go talk for us, I make they treat us like this. This road, na road wey be say for 4-5 hours, you go there for this small road wey no reach 5 kilometers. Because since we no get anybody for government, who want talk? If we talk, they will carry gun come. But we say now, whether they carry armor tanker come, we should kukuma die finish now. Wetin we go tell our children? Kukuma just die finish. Food no dey. Our water, underground water, it don't spoil. The rainwater, you cannot test it. You no go even carry and wash. If you touch your clothes, that clothes don't condemn. So all this now the thing where they suffer. Tell Oyibo people, say make them come assist us. We no get anybody to assist us here. Nobody. We talk like this, nobody don't know what we they pass through. So small time now they go say now politics. No politics. Any person where they follow this road, we say this road good, make you come tell us now. Tankers they fall, trailers they fall, containers they fall. We don't see where container fall don't go to. 7 person they inside for 4 hours. Crane never come. They don't die, but they see they underpaid. Say make Oyibo people come talk to us. Make our president understand. Say now this one they feed the nation. And just like as I said, If not to become a country, now Eleme is supposed to become a country. Yes, yes. Because Eleme get land for airport. Eleme get seaport. Eleme get everything where country is supposed to get. But you cannot see anything. Only thing where you go see now plantation. See grass everywhere. Look at the house. So make the whole world come to our aid. We are in the midst of surplus, or we have nothing to show. Thank you.
All right. Now, so we see them for here. The people don't talk their mind. I make we talk to one person more. What you go add to the demands one that they make for federal government concerning this road, so that maybe people feel pass the road?
Anyway, the only thing we are going to add and to support waiting my youth president don't talk. Our people they suffer. We no get road to reach our house. The small internal roads we will get, we will use like check pass. These giant vehicles don't go destroy the roads. So we will never get pedestrian who will use our leg, use walk and reach our house. And secondly, the level of unemployment within this town, if you know, you will shed tears. We have the largest refineries here, we have the oil and gas free zone, we have other multinationals present in this land, but the level of unemployment is alarming. The youths have tried, the chiefs have tried to make sure that they curb the youth excesses. If not, all these youths would have gone to, would have come to armed robbers or started other social vices. My plea is that the federal government should respond positively. They should come and fix this road, and they should create employment opportunities for the whole community. Our people are law abiding, as you can see, very peaceful. So we'll call on the federal government to respond as soon as possible.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now, so we see them for here. The protests, they still they continue today at day 2, and we will end this thing for here now, so that we go take on go another side where these protests they go on. So, hey, I beg you. So that's what we see for this refinery junction. We go end here. You be driver?
Yes, I be trucker driver.
Okay.
Since yesterday, this road has been blocked. With the best federal government, I leader. Beg them, anything where they know say they want to do to this road, when go make us we get to our destination, we go make them go and beg. I beg, I leave my wife and my family for us. I don't get that farm. I don't get that farm when I take the eat apart from this trailer work. I know the thief. And this road, many trailers don't fall. Container, people don't die. Drivers don't waste their life. I beg, I beg government.
So you confirm said the road no good?
If the road good, where they okay, then your wicked like this, they block road. I'll be applying this road to Calabar for more than how many years now. I never see this kind of thing. Since yesterday, I'll be here. No going, no coming.
And where you they go?
I they go Calabar. And where they go, I never even hear. I beg with the beg government, the government can't help us. I beg, I beg.
Okay, madam, the position of the youth you are seeing here today, we are not happy with what has happened so far. We are not, we know they happy with what don't happen so far. We know they happy with what they happen. And Eleme youths, they talk now, say, because of the stress where we they suffer to pass through this road every day, just to reach Port Harcourt and come back, we spend over 10 hours going and coming, so we don't need them again. And the final thing where we want to talk today be say, if those we at Pabio want come here today, come give us another promise, make Ikukuma no come. If anybody is coming from the presidency to come and tell us today, say, we are coming, we are mobilizing in the next 1 week, in the next 3 months, because they are 1 week, they always reach 1 month, and they are 1 month, they enter 1 year, and that's why they go for over 3 years now. Godswill don't come here more than 3 times. Today, Eleme use, they say, if in plan to come tell us another super story, we no one hear that. We don't want it. We want to mobilize to sign immediate effect. That's the only way we are going to leave this road. Thank you.
Madam, yeah, this will just make cassava farm. That is our problem now. What to do cassava farm?
The only question I want to ask you, is to say that you see people wey get jobs, now you dey snap them, make them talk on behalf of Eleme. Why you not snap people like me, make my job go inside, make government see say we are suffering? I'm telling you. No person like me. No person like me. Make government see how my job say we dey suffer here. Because a lot of people want to say they are just fool. That was just the government go know say we dey suffer. Some people like me make my job go inside and show government say we are suffering. Okay, can you tell me what? Okay,
my name na Dibia Samuel DC, aka Daigo Prapra. What is happen for here? No go fit happen for any place in the world. I know fit happen for any place in Nigeria. And it happen for Eleme land because we dey tolerate am. People will say the strength of an oppressor is the consistent maintenance of ignorance. Yes. We have kept quiet for so long, and at this point we are saying enough is no. Make the world hear us. Make Nigeria hear us. So we go remain here until they come, not to talk to us, but to come with chipping, tractor, everything, so that as we dey see, they dualize the road. But if now say we are going to do this road by next week, we need to come out from here. Have you not been so? We not go tired to stay here. Because if they say we go tired, let it be known to them now that we will stay here as long as we want to stay here until we are being here. Eleme, now they feed this country, but we are benefiting nothing from this place. People come to this country, and they come to Eleme and make money from Eleme, and at the end of the day, we benefit little or nothing. All our internal routes in the village have been destroyed by these guys. And we are saying at this point, having counted our losses and people who don't die for a year, we want to make them solve our problem. You will not believe that from just Trailer Park to Eleme Junction will take you up to like 6-7 hours, and we are not benefiting anything from it. Now, where the job now? No job. Where business now? No business. Where good life now? No light, no water, no nothing. Make I ask you one question before I go. If to say work day and we they go work, today they be working day? Now work we day they do? No. Thank you. God bless you.
All right. All right. That's it.